Salom. Demak, biz Genshin Impact o'ynaymiz. O'yin O'zbekiston hududida mashhur emas. Boshqa davlatlarda ko'p populyar Yevropa, Koreyada. O'zbekiston YouTube'ida birinchi marta menimcha YouTube ko'p izlab ko'rdim yo'q ekan. Demak, boshlaymiz. O'yin Fireworks ya'ni Xoyolab kompaniyasidan ishlab chiqarilgan. Men bu o'yinni 2023-yildan beri o'ynab kelaman, ya'ni 2 yildan buyon. Ko'p joylarga men o'zim tushundim. Shundan ko'rib, men O'zbekistondagi o'yinni olib kirmoqchiman. O'yin haqida qisqacha gapiradigan bo'lsam, umumiy hisobda bu o'yin ochiq kartali hisoblanadi. Kartasi juda katta.
Depletes stamina, and depleted stamina takes time to recover. Okay, let's take the route we planned. We're off to a statue of the seven. Which of the seven are you looking for exactly? Oh, wow! That's a statue of the seven. There are a few of these statues scattered across the land to show the seven's protection over the world.
Mexanikalar bor, har xil reaksiyalar, ya'ni
Among the seven gods, this god controls the wind.
Shunga ochiq dunyoda urushlar
Paimon's not sure whether the god you're looking for is the animal god, but Paimon will take you to the animal god's place first, and there's the reason why. As we all know, poetry and language flow like the wind.
O'yinda, ya'ni o'g'il bola giroy bilan o'ynayman. Giroyda
There'll definitely be someone there who knows about your sister. At least that's what Paimon thinks. Whether the gods actually answer you is a different story. You never know unless you try. So let's hop to it.
O'yinda sujeti ham bor. Bu ya'ni o'yindagi bo'lib o'tadigan voqea hodisalar. Ya'ni glavniy giroyda butun sayohati sujet hali tugamagan, ya'ni davom etyapti. Yangi zonalar chiqishda, yangi kartalar ochilyapti. Yaqinda 6.0 обновление chiqdi. Unda yangi lokatsiya qo'shildi, ya'ni игровой zonalar. Yangi personajlar chiqdi.
You can swim right over.
2020-yil chiqqan, kimga qiziq bo'ladigan bo'lsa. Hozir biz birinchi boshlanishi, ya'ni birinchi shahargacha borib olamiz. Men butun boshli sujetni YouTube kanaliga joylab boraman har kuni. kartani ham ochib berishdi. Mana kartada mana har bir manalar ya'ni o'sha o'yindagi bog' xudolarni tochkalari haykallari hisoblanadi. Ruscha yozilgan Statuya Anima Arxont, ya'ni shamol xudosining haykalidir. O'yin ruschaga tarjima qilingan, ruscha, xitoycha, inglizcha ko'p tillarga. Men ruschada o'ynay boraman. Butun o'yin mobaynida. Ko'rayotganlaringdek karta katta juda ham.
Ooh, did you just feel the element? Seems all you had to do was just touch the statue and you got the... As much as they may want it, people in this world can never get a hold of powers as easily as you. Uh-huh. It's because you're not from this world to begin with. If we keep heading west from here, we'll eventually reach Mondstadt. Mondstadt is the city of wind because they worship the god of Animo. So perhaps, because you got power from the god of Animo, you can find some clues there. There are also lots of bards there, so perhaps one of them has heard news of your sister. Let's move then. The elements in this world responded to your prayers, and Paimon thinks that's a lovely sign.
Bizlar bilan gapirgan shay degan narsacha oti Paymon. O'yinda juda mashhur. U bizga butun o'yin bo'ylab o'yin nima haqida tushuntirib boradi. Mana bayokka. Bu qilich bor. O'zini sposobnostlari bor. Yer.
These are the animal powers you got from the Statue of the Seven. Oh, Paimon's so jealous. Why doesn't Paimon get cool fighting powers?
Kim o'ynashni boshlagan bo'lsa, yo'lda ko'rgan hamma narsalar kelib ketinglar. Nimaga? Ularning hammasi keyinchalik kerak bo'ladi. Hattoki mana bunaqa oddiy gul ko'rsalaring ham terib ketinglar. Даже gullarni ham, daraxtlarni ham ko'rsalaring sinadi, buziladi. Mana bunaqalardek buzilmaydi. Har bir gulni hamma narsani terib ketinglar.
There's something huge in the sky! It's heading towards the heart of the forest! We must proceed with caution.
Men syujetni o'qib, tarjima qilib o'tirmayman. Agar video ko'p prosmotr yig'adigan bo'lsa, kommentariyaga yozinglar. Syujetni o'qish kerakmi, tarjima qilish kerakmi? Agar tarjima qilish kerak bo'lsa, men har bir o'sha syujet voqealarini tarjima qilib boraman. Paymon bilan birgalikda. Hozir bizlar shaharga qarab otlandik, ya'ni yo'limizda o'tadigan birinchi shaharga qarab.
Look at that!
Don't be afraid. It's all right now. I'm back.
Is he talking to a dragon?
Who's there?
That was close. Paimon almost got... Luckily, Paimon managed to grab hold of your hair. Thanks. Just what was that? Paimon thought we were... It definitely has something to do with that weirdo who was talking to the dragon. Of course not. Oh, what's that? There's some kind of shiny red thingy on the big rock. Let's go take a closer look. Be careful. Paimon doesn't have a good feeling about this. Paimon's never seen a stone like this before. So all Paimon knows is that it's dangerous. Best we put it away for now. Okay, we've got it. Now let's keep...
Hey, you! Stop right there! May the Animo God protect you, stranger. I am Amber, outrider for the Knights of Favonius. You don't look like citizens of Mondstadt. Explain yourself.
Well, we're not looking for trouble.
That's what all the troublemakers say. Doesn't sound like a local name to me. And this mascot, what's the deal with it?
I mean, we've only been traveling partners for 2... We've already become the very best of friends.
So to sum it up, you're traveling. Well, look, there's been a large dragon sighted around Mondstadt recently. It's not far from here. I'll escort you there.
Oh, aren't you out here for some other reason?
I am, but not to worry. I can keep you both safe while doing that too. Besides, I'm still not sure if I can trust you two just yet. Oh, I'm sorry. Probably I give you my apologies.
That sounded so fake.
Do you have something against the type of language usage? Outrider Amber, reporting for duty. Just say the word if... So, suspicious travelers, what are you doing in Mondstadt?
He got separated from his sister during a really, really long journey. Paimon is his travel buddy, helping him to find his sister.
Oh, looking for your family? Huh. Okay, let me finish my other stuff first, and then I can help you put up posters around the city.
What exactly is it you need to finish doing first?
It's simple. You'll understand in a bit.
Xo'sh. O'yinda personajlar bitta emas. Ya'ni sizlar o'ynaydigan personajlar bitta emas. Ular juda ham ko'p. O'yinning boshida bizlarga 4 ta personaj beradi. Ya'ni 4 ta standart. Bu hammaga beriladi. Qolganlarini o'zining o'yin mexanikasi bor. Personajlar o'zlaringga olsalaring bo'ladi. Ya'ni определенный pul evaziga, ya'ni o'yinning o'zidagi pul evaziga. Hozir bu personaj kamonchi. Dalcha syujet bo'yicha ketamiz. Shaharga qarab. Shaharda davom ettiramiz. Shaharda syujetni boshlangandan keyin videoni o'chirguncha men to'xtataman. Qolganini keyingi videomda, agar video prosmotr yapsa, keyingi videoda chiqaraman. Agar kimga shu o'yin yoqqan bo'lsa, o'ynamoqchi bo'lsa, men bu videodan tashqari yana stream qilaman. YouTube'da emas, ya'ni Twitch kanalida. Twitch degan platformada video tagida ссылкasini qoldiraman. Qiziq bo'lsa, kelinglar birga o'ynaymiz.